Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olena, aka Expat Chick, and my channel is about life in South Korea. I just moved to South Korea about 5 days ago and I'm going to be an English teacher in Busan. I am on a 14-day quarantine, so I'm excited to do a little unboxing of some of the goodies I got while I'm staying in my apartment. I got 2 different care packages. The first one was from my school. So I will show you some of the goodies that I got from them. And the second one is from the Korean Red Cross. And I got that on about day 2 or 3 of quarantine. So I look forward to sharing you of some of the exciting things that I got. And if you're interested, please follow. Here are some of the things that my school has left for me during quarantine. And I thought you would be interested in seeing what I got. So looks like first we have some kind of cookies with a chocolate covering on one side. Now they did go to Costco, so they got most of the stuff there. Then we have what looks like some other, oh, it looks like butter cookies. Okay. Then we have what looks to me to be angel, what are they called? Lady fingers? Yes, lady fingers cookies. And of course we all know Ritz, right? This looks to be lemon flavored. I'm actually quite excited to try these ones. These look good, especially with some black tea. Garlic baguette. This shall be interesting if I have any kind of maybe like a salt craving. This should be good. Then we have what looks like a, kind of reminds me of a moon pie, right? Doesn't this look like a moon pie? Except it's strawberry. Then we have some kind of, I'm guessing like a chocolate chip mini cookies. That's what it looks to be like, right? Of course, you've gotta get peanut butter, right? I found it funny because, you know, if anybody knows Americans, they know that Americans love peanut butter. And jelly. That's pretty self-explanatory. Ooh, France. So nice. Then we have regular old sugar. This appears to be olive oil, but it's actually sunflower oil. If this English was not here, I would have sworn it was olive oil because of the green color. And we have some salt. They also got rice. As you can see, if you know Kakao Talk, which is a really famous messaging app in Korea, they use these cute emojis, and look at that guy, he is so cute. Almond chocolate ball. That's gonna be the perfect sugar craving cure. Of course, we got some ramen, right? You can't go to Korea and not eat ramen. This looks like maybe a vegetable, like a vegetarian flavor. Looks like we have some eggs, mushrooms, scallions maybe, peppers. Then we have, I don't know. I have no idea what this flavor is, but I'm excited to try it. The headmaster's son, who speaks English, he was so excited to share with me about this little thing. So these are noodles that, oh, this is rice, I forgot. So there's like 2 different compartments. There's one compartment for rice, which is already cooked and you just have to warm it up in a microwave. And then there's another compartment that has different, like, I don't remember, there was like several packets of different toppings that you add to it. Then for the other non-foodie things that I thought was so thoughtful, that the headmaster and his son got me. Some toothbrushes. Avocado and moisture body wash. cherry and blossom conditioner. Oops. Cherry and blossom shampoo. A toothpaste. It's like period, but with an E. Now we've seen this brand before. I think this brand is also in the States. Look at this fancy knife. I am so excited to try this knife. It looks fancy as heck. And we have a little toaster oven. I unpacked it. Let's take off the very last thing. And look at that beaut. What's inside? Looks like we have some kind of soup, which is interesting. Ooh, masks. I've actually been wanting to get a new mask, so this is great. This is a pretty nice looking one. I'm excited. This, I'm not exactly sure what that, I'm guessing it's kimchi. Maybe kimchi, right? Who knows? Looks like rice. Otogi black bean sauce with beef. I have never tried anything like this before, so I'm looking forward to trying. Let's go over here. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Oh, here it is. Sempio pickled perilla leaves in soy sauce. I don't know what it is. I know what soy sauce is. Some kind of leaves with soy sauce. Then we have this. Whatever this may be. Oh, it's beef. Okay, so it's beef. Some kind of beef. Looks like tuna. That's pretty easy to tell. Spam! Otogi curry with beef. Ton of rice. This is literally all rice. Alright, there's like 10. This is not exactly sure what this is. Some kind of ramen. That's what I do know. Moving over. What is this penguin bag? We go together. So cute. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm gonna sit down. So we have this safety package. Let's see what exactly. I know that this is for when I have to monitor twice a day my temperature and my symptoms. Masks, a thermometer. I definitely need this. Have hand sanitizer and looks like directions in Korean. Would be helpful if they had English, considering that a lot of people who are quarantining don't speak Korean. Although on my flight there was like 2 foreigners and the whole rest of the plane was Koreans. So maybe not as many foreigners coming in. So I know this bag, I think this is where you put your trash in at the end of your quarantine and then they pick it up. So I'm guessing this is what it is. This looks like another trash bag. I'm not exactly sure. I think the orange one is for like food things, and then this one is for paper, recyclables, food. Okay. All clean disinfectant. That's great. That's very helpful. And then we have this file. So it looks like it tells you, oh, it tells you how to use the quarantine app. Interesting. Directions in Korean that I don't understand. So maybe the headmaster or his son can explain to me what this is. Some more directions, lots of instructions. What is in the fridge slash freezer that the school got me. Just a heads up, some of the things my boyfriend actually bought me because I was missing a few essential things. So let's see what we have here. So the first thing I got here, premium Korean traditional meatballs. I'm excited to try these. And of course, dumplings. I love dumplings. I can eat them all day, every day. We have eggs. They also got me milk and I didn't see it, so my boyfriend got me more milk, so now I have extra milk. And then this is some kind of salad dressing. The headmaster's son said that this is a Japanese dressing, so let's see. Now the soy sauce they got me ketchup. I think this is mayo. I guess I'll have to taste it and see. Then I got oranges, apples, bananas. I got it from the school. Then the school got me a ton of croissants. Then, let's see, we have this salad mix. I need to start eating it before it goes bad. Then they got me a ton of bread. And this banana flavored drink. And some boiled eggs. And that's it for the cold foods. Okay guys, so that's a wrap for this video. If you enjoyed it, stay tuned for a video next week where I will actually try these Korean snacks and give you my very first impressions of them. Comment below, have you tried any of these snacks? What did you think of them? And please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for new videos every Saturday. I hope to see you next week. Thanks!